So we're gathered in the cynhadledd, inspired by the range of community initiatives that tackle climate change, and we celebrate especially the way they made it through with encouragement and skills and cash and mentors from Renew. Because action isn't easy. It takes long hours, hard work and stress, and there's nothing that inspires us more like stories of success. So we're gathered in the cynhadledd giving credit to due. All these people, all these projects breaking climate change taboos. They show us that it's possible and help us to believe that Paul's zero carbon Britain's not too far-fetched to achieve. And when we come together in a conference like today, we can face with more assertiveness the problems in the way, the resistance and the planners and the doubters with their banners and the sniggers and the diggers and those that walk away. Because we know we have an impact, we know we can succeed, and we know we can deliver what the planet really needs. So charge up your electric cars as we make our green advance, but don't forget to hold on tight to the elastic in your pants.
There are many different solutions, but the key thing is we must do it together, pulling together, coalition amongst all different groups.
You're the guys that make this stuff happen, and you're the guys that make other people want to make this stuff happen with you.
Start looking for the positive news. There's loads out there. Forget about all this negative rubbish. You know, the future is positive and there's a huge amount of positive stuff going on.